The WalkieGuard car barrier and the mesh barrier are designed to work together or separately. Both are the perfect solution for keeping your pet settled in the cargo area or your back seat. It helps stop your pet from jumping to the front of your vehicle through your bucket seat or up and over your bench seat. The quick-release buckles make the mesh barrier detachable in seconds. Made of durable nylon mesh, the barrier is fastened to the front seats thanks to resistant nylon belts that are reinforced with removable fiberglass rods to maintain structure and stability. Our patented design, the WalkieGuard car barrier, is sturdy and made of a lightweight steel alloy, the only fully portable vehicle dog guard product on the market today. The WalkieGuard dog vehicle barrier solves all those unwanted problems associated with hard fixed systems. It's safe, easy to use, and fits practically any vehicle, provided it is equipped with extendable rear headrests. The mesh barrier is easy to use, and the flip fold pops out to create a car barrier to keep the dogs safely in the rear side of the vehicle. It attaches easily to the headrest stems and is adjustable to various tightness settings and can fit virtually in any car. As a barrier, it is perfect for a bench seat or a station wagon or SUV. Or in the case of 2 seats, you can use the mesh barrier and loop one end through the stem of the headrest. There are 2 different loops that attach to the car seats and a short set that attaches either to the seat headrest stem or inside if it is used together with the barrier. You can clip this to the mesh barrier and it can be attached in the following manner. Loaded with the fiberglass bar and comes with 3 sticks that need to be inserted to build the frame of the mesh barrier. The 3 sticks slide individually in the 3 separating claw-resistant nylon sheaths with slip and hold in place technology. The rods need to be only inserted once into the mesh barrier for a binding hold. The top of the mesh, towards the narrower section, is used to work with the metal guard and mount to the guard with easy clip straps. You can use the mesh barrier without the metal guard by simply flipping the mesh over and exposing the wider section of the mesh to the seat headrest, so there is a bottom and thinner section depending on how you use the mesh barrier. Whatever combination you decide to use for the WalkieGuard and the WalkieGuard mesh barrier, it is sure to keep your seats clean.